All right, so I am out, and they left inside with the police to show them that I broke stuff. So I just show you. I will go next to cars real quick because then I need to go to grab something to eat and go to the. In general, they stay as close as possible to the crime. So to get to the shops, the moon as well is extremely close now. A bit less. Now it's a bit less. So I have to stop to be sure that it's taken by the camera because they tend to blur it all. Otherwise, I'm going to the airport now, and I will need electricity. There is an ambulance there in the back. Someone there on the bike. Okay, walking. I will have only very little time to make it all happen. I'm talking a bit with an accent. Like it's not, it's not the way that I wanted to say it, but uh, talking a bit with an accent. This car is here all the time, not moving. Uh, this is a bit annoying the way I'm filming everything, but uh, with the phone, that'd be really easier. They wanted to keep me away from reporting anything, and in the end, it's just adding some more material. Okay, I'm checking the moon to see if my forces are if that's it. Okay, no, the other way then, not here. All right. Uh, So I got this one. This is one that I wanted to have on the record. BARGA 161. This one. PSN 75 there. So now going backward, then I'm gonna take all the matriculation plates that are like, look at that. It's just on the shoulder. It's not supposed to go like that, but you can see that it's moved with the tech. It's not even heavy, that heavy. It's like it's not slippery. So I guess that because there is one arrest here, they want to do another one, but it's going to be more and more complicated given that I'm reporting to the FBI, and given that I have been filing some police arrests as well, some police reports as well. And perhaps that's why, as well, in France, it's been complicated for them to be that visible and so on, because I have been reporting on the fact that some terrorists were attacking me with some advanced tech. So now tagging along, now tagging along. BCR 424 and BFM 1144. This one. Okay, it's better here. 30. I will need to go. Okay, like you see, Carlin Kala. This one. This is fucked up before. Like, the police is still there, so they want to report on some damages that I would have made, because now they need evidence, you know. Now they need evidence. And this is the police, the last one, I guess, because the police officer was there. Where is my? Can see them in the back normally. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on this. Uh, so SDA 1088, I'm gonna read it. SBQ 211, BNM 1514, RDQB 264, BKJ 2787, sorry, 09, HSKZ04, BW, BV or BW 8777, PMSM 180, PBZ 168. So basically, whoa, yeah. First time I hear the thing like this. So they were pressuring up. They were telling me go home. YMI 4413, BCI 7439, BID 7096. This one. SAG RO89, BOI 307, PMJN 9901, BCK 1012, so into damaging my bag, BGI 1996. The radio would be decry as well, signal, and it was a bit sonic, so I'm gonna ask the police because they have normally to protect me against this, and they did not. I told them that it was false imprisonment, and instead what they have been doing is taking evidence that I would have had potentially damaged some stuff in the building. So I don't know if you're gonna see because they are, yeah, changing the contrast thing. MOLGB 99. I guess it's enough. So that one, the moon is big, so it means that they are trying to prepare something else because it's never enough, and that my forces are telling them you have to stop this shit basically. But instead of listening why my 1854 for, yeah, 53, not 54, what they do is that they continuously continue to attack and to push. Addicts, they continue to use heroin and OD from it. This is exactly the same thing. So I'm missing speaking a bit like this as well, but I'm gonna close it, and that was it. Then I'm gonna write notes.